am on the Germantown campus where all the lectures of the Frank-Islam Athenaeum Symposium Speaker Series take place. With me now is Professor Tiffany Banks, who is the co-coordinator of the series. Welcome, Tiffany.
Thank you, Danielle.
So what can we look forward to this spring semester?
We have a great lineup this semester. Our theme is Learning from History, and we'll kick off the series with HELON HABILA, author and associate professor at George Mason University. Dr. HABILA will discuss his latest book, which traces the rise of Boko Haram Islamists and the 2014 kidnapping of nearly 300 schoolgirls in Nigeria. His talk will explore the contributing factors that led to the event and discuss ways Nigeria can move forward. Our second lecture welcomes best-selling author Craig Shirley. Shirley's latest work, Reagan Rising: The Decisive Years, examines American political and social climate from 1976 to 1980. His work offers insights on Reagan's philosophy and important lessons for today's political leaders and emerging hopefuls as well.
So these two lectures are in February, and we have two more in April, correct?
Correct. Later in April, we invite award-winning author John FARRELL to discuss his book, Nixon: The Life. In his talk, FARRELL will discuss the rise, fall, and legacy of President Nixon and why the world we live in today, according to FARRELL, is one that Richard Nixon made. And finally, we wrap up the semester with climate scientist Alyssa Oko from the Environmental Defense Fund. Oko will share highlights of her research, including Earth's climatic past, the current warming trend, and what we can do to affect change now.
They sound all very interesting. Thank you.
Thank you.
All the lectures will be held in Globe Hall. If you'd like more information, go to the website. For MC Today, I'm Danielle Steski.